Welcome to Millwhip Axis. Here we have the Isuzu Grafter. This is perfect for the Arb guys. This is custom built. So let me take you around it. Sit in the cab. 3 seats in the front. Got suspension, driver's seat. A large media display with Bluetooth. Got the roller shutter. There's a split side in there as well. High-sided anodized aluminium sides. Got rear tow bar, dual rear wheel. Got 4 barn doors. We've got the half roof. That actually folds down as well. There's your tow bar. Obviously all your tipper settings just behind the cab here. And obviously your driver's seat and steering wheel. Thank you for watching. For any inquiries, please do give us a call.